sock.
Seems to me like you lost your boot.
No, my sock fell off.
Your whole sock? How does your...
Sock was gonna fall off.
Oh. I can hear the
Sock was
water.
gonna fall off.
How does your sock fall off inside your...
It did not fall off.
Yeah, that's our day. That's my day. Okay, you guys hear the water? It's getting good. Put my head back on. Listen. Man, moving around in the winter is such a workout. Oh my God, look at the water. Look. You guys ready? It's crazy. We're not even gonna there's no beach, kiddo. We gotta be careful.
What?
Whoa!
What?
Look. You guys, look. Whoa! Wait. Whoa! Okay, don't get too close to the edge. No, Wolfgang, I'm serious.
I didn't get close to the edge.
We can't. Whoa, dude. Whoa. Isn't that crazy? We can walk along the trail maybe a little bit if you can handle it.
No, I am not doing this. I wanted to go on the beach.
I know, but there's no beach today, man. No beach.